Morning. Brother Suryakant is online.
Okay.
He's going to be joining us in a moment. In fact, he's already online, but they will just unmute us. And
We noticed the 4 chairs and we were wondering. The 5th was.
Brother Suryakant had to be away for some event today, but then he very graciously agreed that he'll join us on the video conferencing. Brother Suryakant, can we request you to switch on the video or have them switch on your video? Or he's just being connected in a moment. Mute the mic. It's very interesting.
Good morning, Chief.
Good morning, Brother Suryakant. Thank you for joining us from Chandigarh. Thank you very much. What we propose to do is, subject to, I'm sure this would perhaps meet with the ends of justice at this stage, is that we will stay further proceedings. We are issuing notice to the state of West Bengal and to the original petitioner before the High Court. So at least if that petitioner, she wants to come here, she can, I'm not sure she would be interested, but let that notice go to her. We'll list the proceeding on Monday again. In the meantime, we will stay all further proceedings before the High Court in the writ petition as well as in the letters patent appeal. And we will stay the implementation of the directions of the single judge directing a reference to the CBI at this stage. So that on Monday, we will then take up the matter and then see what further steps have to be taken. I think that's
Fair enough. It's fair enough. We have no problems with that.
There is a small addition to that, if I may respectfully wish. That's perfectly. Originally, whereas I had come to a lordship, the first order passed by my lords.
You are appearing for the state of West Bengal?
No, I'm appearing for the state.
Banerjee filed an MA. He should have perhaps filed a writ. The registry said MA is not maintainable. The writ has been filed. So the person who is gratuitously mentioned in every order, unrelated to him, is me. So I must be there, Manoj. Kindly have that rate filed. We'll put the rate in today because we'll file it.
We'll deal with the rate, but today you are not before us in a formal capacity
No,
in a
we are
rate.
there
or
and
MA
we are
or
now
something.
withdrawing the MA and putting it. Lord,
Well,
if
the
it's there,
state-
then I'll be here.
You can be here.
Yes, very well. Because we only here. This is the
Well,
same
the
orders.
state is filing also an SLP against the original order of 25th January order.
Okay.
So that also will be.
Lords, only one aspect I'm flagging, I'm not arguing, and your lordships must be aware. I'm not, my lord, on the validity or legality of either learned single judge order or the division bench order. I'm more concerned about the procedure of passing an interim order without either appeal memo or impugn order before the division bench, which in case of this very high court, this honorable court, my lord, has exercising powers under 141 prohibited. My lord, if your lordship permits, I may read one paragraph.
Can you just give us the citation so that we know when we keep it on Monday?
Yes, my lord.
Summary-
1985, AIR 1985,
Dunlop.
61. Yes, SCC, my lord. 4 SCC, 666. And my lord, I'll just read one line.
But that was the initial proceedings.
There were other.
Yes. But the court has
Citation
said, my
again.
lord,
Mr.
Please give the
Sulika,
citation
I'm
again,
not sure whether
1985.
we'll reserve, we'll reserve everything later.
I know, it's just.
But we don't want to even make a prima facie determination
Yes.
at this stage. We'll see when the matter comes up before us. Sometimes there are exceptional circumstances, but we'll not make any
correct, my lord. Your
comments
lordship,
right now.
we'll assist your lordship in principle. Sometimes, like, my lord, hanging or demolition, my lord, it cannot wait. My lord, sometimes.
I don't want to respond to that, Madhu. I
But your
don't think
lordships have said
we should
prohibit
wait
this
till
like
Monday.
Under 141, using that
Now
expression.
the learned judge, single judge is passing orders is also a matter of fact.
A habeas corpus petition being presented in the afternoon, will take it, but insisting on a written appeal.
I don't think it's quite fair to say.
Issue notice
Kind of.
to the state of, to the original petitioner before the High Court in writ petition A22150 of 2023, High Court of Calcutta, and to the state of West Bengal, Mr. Kapil Sibal, Learned Senior Counsel, appears on behalf of the state of West Bengal with Mr. H.A.M.D. and
Asta Sharma.
Ms. Asta Sharma, standing counsel. So Asta Sharma accepts notice. Next, pending further order, there shall be a stay of all proceedings. There shall be a stay of all proceedings before the High Court of Calcutta in writ petition A22150 of 2023 and MAT, and before the division bench, before the single judge of the Calcutta High Court in writ petition A22150 of 2023 and before the division bench in MAT 192 of 2024. Semicolon, bracket 2, the implementation of the direction issued by the single judge on 24 January 2024
And 25th.
24 and 25 January 2024 shall in consequence remain stayed, pending further, shall remain stayed. That's all that we have to say at this stage.
Well, let's allow us, we'll find
You're
that.
not saying that with the division bench interference at this point of time.
Sorry?
It's a
The division
contention.
bench interfering and oral mentioning.
It's a contention.
That's why it's
We're
all.
not saying anything.
It's all.
We are not deciding anything right now.
That we will assist your lordship. There are
Well,
other.
let's allow us to
judgments
file the SLP today so that it can come up on Monday.
list on.
And my writ policy.
Your lordship may
Monday.
say.
उसके पहले लिख लीजिए, Mr. Kapil Sibal, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing on behalf of the state of West Bengal, states that a writ petition, that a special
SLP.
petition, Article 136 of the Constitution, is being lodged today by the state of West Bengal against the order of the division bench, dated
Single judge.
against the order of the single judge,
Yeah.
dated orders of the single judge,
Orders of the
dated 24
And 25.
25